Hi, I'm Jordan and today we're going to be taking a look at the Chicago Pneumatic CP9779 belt sander.
The belt sander has a rubber moulded grip, meaning it's very comfortable to use. The safety lever comes in handy to prevent the tool from operating when not in use. The belt sander also features a fully adjustable sanding arm. This comes in handy when sanding in confined spaces or just to make the sander more comfortable when in operation. The quick change belt replacement feature means it's effortless to remove and refit a belt when needed. The exhaust is on the lower of the handle, meaning it directs the air away from you, and it also features a swivel joint on the air connection. The 3/8 inch or 10mm belt size is perfect for small areas such as spot welds and small panel preparation. This belt sander is perfect to have around the workshop for those small to medium repair tasks. The Chicago Pneumatic CP9779 belt sander.